Hello guys and welcome to my welcome. Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make a ghost head, and for that we're gonna need foam head, a dowel, school glue, cheesecloth, water, coffee ground. I'm using used coffee ground, and a bowl. First of all, we're gonna make our mix, and for that we're gonna take our bowl and we're gonna empty our glue completely. Don't worry, we can save this after we're finished with it. And after that we're gonna take some coffee grounds and we're gonna take our water. This is for staining our ghost and giving it some texture. After that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour this in our glue bottle and fill that to the top, because we need 50% water, 50% glue. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix this to get every bit of glue possible out of our bottle. And then we just pour that here. Okay, and this is empty. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix. You can use the spoon. I was going to use a dowel, but I think the spoon is just better because we have our coffee grounds. We're gonna mix this completely, really nicely. I think we can get some more coffee grounds there. Okay, I think that's enough. Because we want to make it like dirt. Because we don't want a clean ghost. Now that this is mixed, we're going to take our cheesecloth, open it. I have 2 yards here. And as soon as we open it, we're going to open it completely. We need it really extended. We're going to use the whole 2 yards because I want it to be fuller and heavier so it keeps its form. Now it is completely open. And we're gonna grab it like this and put it in our mixture of glue, coffee, and water. You see that it's getting like dirty coffee ground look. Then we're gonna wring it out and get as much glue as we can. And we're going to open it and start putting it on top of our dear friend here. As we put it on top of her, we're going to start pushing the cloth against her face so we can get the indentations. Let me show you. We can get the indentations of the eyes. We can get the nose, and we can get the mouth really marked. And we're gonna get our hands dipped in the glue and start putting that glue against our head. Now we're gonna let her dry. When she's dry, I'm gonna show you how she turns out. And now that she's dry, I have 2 advices to give you. First of all, you should work with this in wax paper or some kind of plastic tablecloth. And second of all, cover your head with some cling wrap or a plastic that would stick, just to be on the safe side. Now we're gonna give her some dry brush using some black paint. And for that we're gonna need our paint. This is pavement from Apple Barrel. I found it in Walmart. You're gonna need a brush and you're gonna need some paper towels so we can dry our brush and give her some shadow in her eyes, nose, and mouth. And after that, when we're finished, we're gonna take Ermy and we're gonna take off our head and fluff the parts that have gone with Ermy or our foam head, and we're gonna place it and see if she's missing some shadowing somewhere. And now we have to be really gentle as we don't have our foam head to keep her shape, and we don't want this to get messed up. After that, we're done, and I'm gonna show you how she turned out. And this is how she turned out. As you can see, here she is in our table. Now I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna style it with a candle in the inside. And this is how Ermy looks with her beautiful candle on the inside. Now I'm gonna show you with the lights off so you can see how creepy she looks. This is how she looks. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye bye.